How to select multiple photos on laptop to copy. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your file explorer and then find the folder where the pictures that you want to copy are located. Now, if you want to select all of it, you can just drag your mouse through it and select it, or you can tap on Control and then select each. So make sure that you tap on Control, because if you don't, all of it won't be selected. And once all of those are selected, just tap on one of the selected items, right click on your mouse, and then you'll be able to see the copy option. So just tap on copy, and now you can paste it anywhere you like. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.